Welcome to the world of high-performance 3D printing, where speed, precision, and intelligence collide. Today, we're diving deep into the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, a printer that's turning heads in the maker community for all the right reasons. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just starting your journey into additive manufacturing, the X1 Carbon is designed to elevate your printing experience with AI-powered smarts, incredible speeds, and a sleek, modern design that looks right at home in a pro workshop or on your desk. In this video, we'll cover the unboxing experience, key features, print quality, pros and cons, and how the X1 Carbon stacks up against other flagship printers on the market. Let's dive in. 1. Unboxing and first impressions. Right out of the box, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon screams premium. Everything is packed neatly and safely, with protective foam, documentation, and even pre-assembled components that make the setup process refreshingly fast. Inside, you'll find the printer itself, a few handy tools, a roll of filament, and the AMS unit, short for Automatic Material System, if you opted for that bundle. The first thing you'll notice is the build. The frame is made of aluminum and high-quality plastic, with clean lines and a solid feel. It's compact enough to sit on a standard desk, but it doesn't compromise on build volume. The touchscreen interface boots up quickly and feels responsive, no lag, no clunkiness. And once powered on, you get a sense that this isn't your typical plug-and-play printer. The X1 Carbon is intelligent, and it's designed to work with you, not against you. 2. Build quality and design. The X1 Carbon is crafted like a piece of precision machinery. Its CoreXY motion system, built on linear rails, allows for blazing fast movements with impressive accuracy. The all-metal hot end, hardened steel nozzles, and carbon fiber rods give it the ability to handle high-temp, abrasive materials like polycarbonate and carbon fiber-infused filaments. The enclosed build chamber helps maintain temperature stability, crucial for printing technical materials. And with a maximum build volume of 256 by 256 by 256 millimeters, you're not limited to just small prints. This printer can handle ambitious projects. Cooling is another strong point. It features a dual-fan part cooling system and a well-ventilated enclosure to prevent overheating. All of this is encased in a stylish black frame with subtle branding, giving it a modern, professional aesthetic.
Oh, and did we mention? It's quiet.
The noise levels are surprisingly low, even at high speeds. 3. Features and technology. Now let's talk about what really makes the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon stand out, its smart features. AI-powered print monitoring. The X1 Carbon comes with a built-in LiDAR scanner that maps the first layer of your print with pinpoint precision. If something goes wrong, like a first-layer adhesion issue, the printer detects it early and alerts you or stops the print altogether. There's also an onboard camera that allows for remote monitoring through the Bambu Handy app. You can literally check in on your print from anywhere in the world. Automatic Material System, AMS. If you go for the AMS add-on, you're in for a treat. This system lets you print with up to 4 different filaments automatically, perfect for multicolor prints or mixing material types like PLA and TPU. The AMS detects filament type, monitors humidity, and even prevents tangles and jams. And yes, it supports expansion for up to 16 spools. Speed and vibration compensation. With a top print speed of 500 millimeters per second, the X1 Carbon is fast. But speed isn't everything unless you can maintain quality. Bambu Lab's vibration compensation technology ensures your prints don't suffer from ringing or layer misalignment, even at high speeds. Cloud integration. Through Bambu Studio and the mobile app, you can slice, send, and monitor prints remotely. It's a fully connected experience that brings 3D printing into the 21st century. Automated calibration. The printer calibrates itself, flow rate, bed leveling, nozzle height, even vibration tuning, all handled before every print. Say goodbye to manual fiddling and hello to true convenience.
4. Print quality. Let's talk output.
The print quality from the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is, simply put, stunning. Layer lines are barely visible, even on standard 0.2 mm layer height prints. The first layers go down smoothly, and warping is nearly non-existent thanks to the enclosed chamber and auto-leveling system. Whether you're printing detailed miniatures, functional parts or artistic models, the X1 Carbon handles it all effortlessly. Complex overhangs, bridging, and tiny details all print with clean accuracy. High-temp materials like PETGCF, ABS, PC, and nylon come out beautifully, no stringing, no blobs and minimal post-processing needed. And when using the AMS for multicolor prints, the transitions are seamless, with very little filament waste. One of the coolest parts? The time savings. A model that might take 6 hours on a standard printer can be completed in half that time, without compromising quality. 5. User experience. If you've ever used a 3D printer before, you know it can sometimes feel like babysitting. But with the X1 Carbon, that stress melts away. From the moment you turn it on, the interface walks you through every step. Loading filament?
Tap a button.
Starting a print? One click from the app.
Need to swap a nozzle?
There's a built-in guide with animations. The Bambu Studio software is intuitive and fast, with profiles already tuned for optimal results. You can even sync your prints with cloud storage, making it easy to manage multiple projects.
And updates?
They come frequently, improving features, fixing bugs, and adding compatibility, all over the air. If you're the type who wants a machine that just works, the X1 Carbon nails it. It's smart, responsive, and makes 3D printing feel more like a creative process than a technical chore.
6. Pros and cons. Pros.
Incredible speed, up to 500 mm per second without sacrificing quality. Multi-material printing, AMS support for up to 16 filaments. AI monitoring, first layer inspection, spaghetti detection, and remote viewing. Outstanding build quality, solid frame, high temp support, enclosed chamber. Smart features, auto calibration, cloud integration, app control. Quiet operation, surprisingly low noise levels for such a powerful machine.
Cons.
Price, it's premium, and the AMS bundle adds to the cost. AMS compatibility, works best with Bambu branded filament spools. Firmware lock-in, some advanced users might find it less customizable. Learning curve for beginners, while user-friendly, the sheer number of features may be overwhelming at first. 7. Comparison with competitors. How does the X1 Carbon compare to other flagship printers like the Prusa 4 Malawian Quaches, Creality K1 Max, or the Anycubic Cobra 2 Pro? Compared to the Prusa 4 Malawian Quaches, the X1 Carbon is significantly faster and more feature-rich out of the box. Prusa wins on open-source flexibility, but the Bambu edges out in terms of innovation and automation. Against the Creality K1 Max, both are high-speed CoreXY machines, but the X1 Carbon is better built, quieter, and has more reliable software. Creality still holds an edge in price though. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech content. Got questions about the X1 Carbon? Drop them in the comments below, we'd love to help.